A heat pump is used to draw water from a well. The temperature of the water is 15 degrees centigrade and that of the atmosphere is 40 degrees centigrade. If the amount of water drawn is 10 kg from the depth of 12 meter, calculate the amount of heat supplied to the well. Efficiency of heat pump will be equal to W divided by Q2 and it is also equal to T2 minus T1 divided by T2. W is the work done and W is equal to Q2 minus Q1, but Q2 and Q1 are not given in this question, so we can use W is equal to M into acceleration due to gravity into H. Now putting the value of W, we get this equation. Now M is 10 kg, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8, height is 12 meter, Q2 we have to find out, T2 is 313 Kelvin and T1 is 288 Kelvin. So T2 minus T1 divided by T2. Solving this equation, the value of Q2 is equal to 14,723 joules or 14.72 kilojoule.